Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here with yet another unboxing. Today we have this, just got here from Amazon Prime. Yeah, so as always, thanks for watching my videos. I'm going to do the unboxing now, and I'm not sponsored by any of these products, but I would absolutely love to be. So if you are one of these companies, or if you have a product you want me to do a taste test review of, unboxing, let me know. So right here we've got Airheads gum. This is sugar-free watermelon flavor. Each piece is 5 calories, 2 carbs, no fat, no sodium, no sugar alcohol, no protein. So yeah, I'm a big sugar-free gum person. I wish there weren't any carbs. I wonder, are the carbs if you only eat the gum and not chew it? If you know, leave a comment, let me know. What do you think about Airheads? What is your favorite sugar-free gum? I'm a big beef jerky fan. This is helping me lose a lot of weight. I've lost almost 208 pounds now and counting. Eating jerky like Jack's Links is helping me. The macros are pretty good. There are some carbs in there. There's 2 grams per stick, but loaded with protein and yumminess. It helps curb appetite for bad stuff. And last but not least for this video is Atkins brand milk chocolate delight. This is a low sugar, low carb shake. I don't necessarily know if it's aimed at being a meal replacement, but I usually drink a different brand every morning at work, so 5 days a week. I'm going to do taste tests and reviews of these just like I do my Quest and Premier proteins. So after this video is done, if you want to see my opinion on each of those Quest or Premier proteins or the Walmart brand Equate, click on my username after you subscribe, and you'll have my own search bar, and type in taste test, and you're going to see hundreds and hundreds of taste tests, including eventually these, because I will be trying these very, very soon. So there's 7 carbs, 5 dietary fibers, so you can deduct those. So that equals 2 net carbs. So this is chocolate milk chocolate delight. So I'm anticipating trying these, so let me know what you think. What's your favorite protein shake, meal replacement shake, what have you? As low carb, low sugar as you can if you want to recommend some for me, but I can always try something different. Thanks so much for watching. Wish you the best. Have a great day.